This is pre-calculus bookwork on section 5.5, page 377, problem 42 through 46 even. Problem 42, the log base 81 of 27 equals x. Okay. All right, so all right, the directions here, maybe I should read the directions. Solve each equation for x. Okay, that wasn't very helpful. All right, I'm going to use the exponential form again of this. So I'm going to rewrite this as 10 to the power of, oh, it's not 10. The base is 81. 81 to the power of x equals 27. Okay. Now, when I see it in this form, I notice two things. Both 81 and 27 are powers of 3. And that's real important. A lot of times when we're doing these, it all breaks down to factoring them into their prime factor. So let me show you how that looks. So if I take 81 and I do a factor tree for that, okay, I find out that 81 is equal to 3 to the power of 4. All right, and now I'm going to do a factor tree for 27. So 27 is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Okay. All right, so now the base is the same, or let me just simplify the left-hand side. 3 to the power of 4 to the power of x is the same as 3 to the power of 4x. Okay, and now since the bases are the same, I've got it in simplest form. If the bases are the same, then the exponents must be the same. So let's set the exponents equal to each other. Now it's very easy to solve. I'm just going to divide by 4. All right, next problem. Problem 44. All right, again, I'm going to rewrite this in exponential form. So I've got the base is 5 to the power of -4 equals x. All right, x is alone. I've got an expression on the left-hand side that can be simplified. So this is equal to 1 over 5 to the power of 4. And 5 to the power of 4, I'm doing it on my calculator, is 625. That's it for problem 44. 46. Okay. All right, let's try again exponential form. So I have x to the power of -2/3 equals 1/9. All right, and I want to solve for x, okay? Let me simplify the left-hand side because the exponent is negative. I'm going to take the reciprocal. Okay, and that makes the exponent positive. All right, so now I've got both the left and the right are under 1, all right? I need to get those numbers out of the denominator and into the numerator, so I'm going to cross multiply. So 9 times 1 is 9, and x to the 2/3 times 1 is x to the 2/3. Okay. All right. So again, this is not really very hard from this stage in, but I know that you don't have a lot of experience with this type of problem. X to the 2/3 really means the cubic root of x squared, okay? So to get x all by itself, what I want to do is I want to do the inverses of both of those operations, okay? So to 9, all right, I want to do the square root. Excuse me, yeah, I want to do the square root to get rid of the power of 2, okay? So I've got the square root of 9, okay? And then I want to raise it to the power of 3 to get rid of the cubic root. Okay, so the opposite of a square is a square root. The opposite or the inverse of the cubic root is the cube. All right, so the square root of 9 is 3. And 3 cubed is 27. All right, I think that's the end of that set of problems.